Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone. What's up, madam people in the world? Thank you for the viewers and silent viewers, to all my subscriber. Thank you very much to follow my videos in my channel. Please support my channel, and I appreciating you all the subscriber. And this time we are now here in Lamtay again. Lamtay. Lamtay. My husband tell me, Lamtay. Amina. Lamtay. Okay, and this time now we are in the exit way. Exit road going to Yonlong. Yeah, Fauxiaway. Yunlong yan eh. Fauxiaway belong to yan. Yunlong lang. It's so very hot today. And this time, you see there the mountain there. Before we coming inside to enter, we see the other side there is the very cloudy, dark color. Is fog yan eh. Fogger other side. Not all inside the Hong Kong is have the raining the other side, but here in Yonlong, no raining, still fogger. The weather is today is fogger other side. You see over there, I will show you which the part of the Hong Kong fog over there, have the clouds there over there and top of the mountain. Here no fogger, here beside here no fogger, over there only, but this time is traffic. Again traffic here because the time now is the same when we go and out, when we go out like this. You see over there I have always traffic here because this is the entrance. Oh, not entrance, exit to the other side, but you turn to the other side is too far. This is the short exit road. You see over there again traffic. You see traffic, always here traffic. And we go now to exit road over there. This one the exit going to, this is the Kowloon Lamtay. And then he asking me, you don't understand how to pronounce, how to say it in the right, on the say it in the pronunciation. And then you see there over there again have the clouds, there's scattered clouds because here in Hong Kong is the scattered thunderstorm. I don't know, later raining again here inside, near in over there. You see over there, cloudy too much, black. And then excuse me, I cannot, because hot inside. Over there on the train going to Yonlong. We are now here in, what is it, the part here, Nai Wai. This is the Nai Wai going to Hang Sikyo. This is the Nai Wai station, but here going to Lao Po naman is Nai Wai.